Hey there guys, it's Kim George here with another quick video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to publish pins and share social media graphics to different platforms inside of Canva. Now, all of you know that Canva is one of those tools that I use for pretty much all things visual design. There are some other tools that I use, and there's another one that I'm going to be talking about in one of my upcoming video tutorials that's also just as great. But for right now, Canva is pretty much my go-to resource for all things visual design. Now, what I wanted to show you guys really quickly is how to publish pins and different graphics to Pinterest from within Canva. So basically what you're going to do is this. You're going to first log into your Canva account. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to one of the templates that I've been working on within Canva. That's a new graphic. With Canva, you want to kind of create different variations of templates and of graphics so that you can, just see which ones work the best. But in order to do this, all you need to do is first off, go to the template that you want to publish. Okay, so this is the one that I'm going to be publishing to Pinterest, and then you're going to go ahead and click on the Pinterest button right here. Now what it's going to ask you to do is to connect your account, if you haven't already done this, to Pinterest. And all you're going to do is it's going to show a pop-up that's going to say that it needs for you to authenticate. And so you'll just basically go through the authentication process, put in your username and your password to connect your Pinterest account to Canva. And then once you're connected, you should be able to see your board start popping up from within Canva. Okay, so when you're ready to publish a pin, again, you're just going to go to that specific pin. Okay, so in this case, it's going to be this one. You're going to go to the button that says Publish to Pinterest. I'm going to click this button, and then it's going to ask me to choose a board. So, for example, if I wanted to publish this to a different board, because I'm a member of a lot of different group boards, I can do that. But in this case, I'm going to go ahead and publish this to my main board, which is my blog post board. Okay, so I'm going to select my blog post. And then what you're going to do right here, guys, is you're going to put a title for your pin. So this one would be, 21 irresistible types of lead magnets to grow your email list with. Okay, and so then what you'll do is I'll add a description down here. So I'll say something like, looking for lead magnet ideas. Check out this post that features 21 types of lead magnets to grow your email list, something like that. And then I'll maybe put includes free swipe file, if I can spell. Okay, so right here it's asking, okay, well, what is the destination website? What is the link that this is going to take people to after you publish this graphic? So I'm going to go here to my main website, and this is the link to the website. So I'm going to just basically copy this link, and then I'm going to go back into Canva, and I'm going to paste this here. And then you can either do one of two things. You can select to schedule this for a later date and time. So for example, if you wanted to schedule this like further on in the week, like just say the 30th, and then at a certain time, instead of at 2:33, maybe you want to do it at 8 a.m. Then you can set your time. Okay, or you can click to publish now. Okay, now I'm actually not done with this graphic just yet, but if I wanted to publish this now, I can just click publish now, and it's going to go to my Pinterest. Actually, you know what, I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and click publish now, and then I'll just remove it because I know I'm still kind of designing it and making some tweaks. Okay, so it says your design has been published. Now, in order to view your post, you're just going to click here, and it's going to show you what your pin looks like. And I think that looks pretty good. Okay, so this is what the pin looks like. And I got the link there and all that good stuff. So that is pretty much how you can use Canva to schedule graphics and post them to your social media accounts. Now, as you can see down here, guys, if you click share, I'm sorry, not share, but this little button over here in the corner, you can see that you can publish graphics to Pinterest. You can schedule them for sharing. You can share them to Facebook, to a Facebook group, to Twitter, and I think that is pretty much about it. But I think that's actually still pretty cool, that you don't have to leave Canva to schedule and post content or graphics and things like that to your social media accounts. So just wanted to show you guys how to get this done using Canva. If you want more tips, tricks, and all that kinds of stuff on ways that you can use Canva for visual design, I'd highly recommend clicking on the link below to check those tips out. Thank you so much for watching. If you know anyone that would benefit from this, please share this post or share this video. All right, take care, guys. Stay safe out there. Thanks for watching.